Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. We are picking cards for your present situation, Aries, in your relationship, and few cards for the future of this connection. So, what is your love life today, and what is the future of this person or this relationship? So these cards are for the future. So I will start with your present situation first, guys. Let us see what are these cards, Aries. If you love this kind of reading, guys, if you like, please comment. I'll be doing more of such readings for you in future. So 2 of water and 3 of water, 6 of earth. Aries, with these cards for your present situation, I see that you have met someone, guys, unexpected. So this person would have been with you as a friend or a family friend, common friend, you're in your friend circle, someone, but you never knew that you may share this beautiful bond with them. So someone unexpected is coming in connection with you, guys, if you are open to a connection, or if you are already in a relationship. I see that with this person you share that freshness and sweetness of this connection, and you are uh, in this connection in such a way that it looks like they are someone new and you are someone new. Maybe you are discovering about each other, learning about each other, and blending with each other. You are realizing the goodness in that person and the negative qualities, whatever it is, and you are accepting this person as they are with that light and dark. So you have a mutual love, understanding, trust on each other, and you have your common goals for your love, for your future. So you are planning for your future with this person, and whatever aspirations, dreams that you have in life, you are sharing with this person, and you are having this beautiful, harmonious relationship. And in this relationship, you are feeling encouraged, confident, strengthened by that person. And with this person, you feel you are able to express your true love with them. So they are reciprocating that. This may be your energy or their energy, guys. So they are expressing their love to you, and you are reciprocating that, or vice versa. And this is a deep bond, guys, you both share. This person may be your soulmate. That is maybe the reason that we have these cards, guys. You are relating to each other at an unbelievable level, guys, and you are in for a lot of surprises. How you both, your thoughts coincide and your actions coincide, and you are working, um, not working, guys, you are just blending with each other, and you are functioning as a one single person. So you have that heart to heart deep communication, and it is a beautiful love I see for your present situation, Aries. It is simply out of the world. So simply you cannot believe. It is an unbelievable kind of love where you relate at a very deeper level to this person. So that is the present, a very beautiful present state we see for your connection, guys, Aries. Let us see what is the future outcome for this connection. 9 of fire, 7 of fire, and page of air. So Aries, for the future of your connection, guys. Maybe for some of you, you may have a different focus in future, maybe on your career or some other path, or maybe on a different person, but you have that what to say, a sense of questioning in your heart. You want the meaning, and you're searching for the meaning of this connection. And I see some things are uncertain for you. Maybe today you are having this beautiful relationship with this person, and tomorrow there may be some questions you have in your heart about this connection. Maybe both of your focus may be on something else, and it may be through your intuition or your insight. You are having something, some kind of confusions in your future, guys, and new ideas are coming up for you. You are thinking differently, the way you perceive yourself, way you perceive your future with this person. So things are changing. Maybe there may be some misunderstandings in future for you, but all that needs is that deep thought, that investigation and questioning you should have in yourself. Think of the situation, think of your future with a different perception. So whatever your circumstance is in future, if you have a different perception, and if you have that passion to push all that obstacles, make those efforts to make this relationship work. So you need not give up on those ideals or beliefs that you have that conviction on, but at the same time you should not um, let that let you feel sad, or that other person also feel sad. So you have to have that concern on yourself and that other person, and have trust in yourself, guys. Have trust in yourself that you will be able to overcome whatever it may be, whatever troubles that you are seeing in your future in this relationship. So whatever works for you best in that particular circumstance, you have to go for it, make those efforts, and you need to have that perseverance in your heart. If you want this person, and if it is true love that you have towards them, so whatever it is tempting you in your future, it may be your focus on some other person that may tempt you, or uh, some ideas or some misunderstandings that you have that may jolt you and push you away from this person, try to push you away from them. If it is true love that you have for them today, and if you are willing to work based on that true love, you will have that endurance in your heart and that determination to be with them no matter what. So you will be able to go that distance if you are willing to make those efforts, guys, in your future. So that is what I see for you, Aries, for this connection, but I see something uncertain also. So maybe for some of you things may go well if you are willing to work for this love. If not, things may go in a different way, guys. So that is what I see, Aries, for your love reading. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. And please comment whether you like this kind of reading, guys. I'll be doing more of such reading for you in future. Thank you again, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, Aries.